Welcome to Bike Shift, where we explore the latest and most practical vehicles shaping the future of mobility. In this video, we take a close look at the 2026 Mahindra Jeeto minivan, a compact commercial vehicle designed to meet the growing needs of small businesses, urban transport, and last-mile delivery. With its updated design, improved efficiency, and reliable performance, the Jeeto minivan aims to be a smart solution for modern transport demands. The 2026 Mahindra Jeeto minivan continues with a compact and functional design, perfectly suited for crowded city roads and narrow streets. The front fascia looks more modern with subtle styling refinements, improved headlamps, and a tougher bumper for daily commercial use. Its small footprint makes parking easy, while the high roof and boxy shape maximize usable space. The overall build focuses on durability, ensuring the vehicle can handle rough roads and heavy daily usage. Under the hood, the 2026 Jeeto minivan is expected to feature an updated fuel-efficient engine tuned for commercial work. The engine delivers smooth power for city driving, even when the vehicle is fully loaded. With improved torque at low speeds, the Jeeto performs well in stop-and-go traffic. Mahindra's focus on reliability means low maintenance costs and consistent performance, making it ideal for small traders and delivery services. Fuel efficiency remains one of the biggest strengths of the Mahindra Jeeto minivan. The 2026 model is designed to offer excellent mileage, helping business owners reduce daily operating costs. Whether used for goods transport, mobile shops, or passenger movement in local areas, the Jeeto ensures maximum output with minimum fuel consumption. Inside, the Jeeto minivan focuses on practicality rather than luxury. The cabin offers a simple and durable dashboard layout, easy-to-reach controls, and comfortable seating for the driver. The rear section provides ample cargo or passenger space, depending on the configuration. Improved insulation and better seating comfort make long working hours less tiring for the driver. The 2026 Mahindra Jeeto minivan includes essential safety features such as a strong chassis, reliable braking system, and better road stability. Its high ground clearance helps tackle uneven roads, while the solid body structure adds confidence during daily operations. These features make it a dependable choice for urban and semi-urban environments. The 2026 Mahindra Jeeto minivan is expected to be competitively priced, keeping affordability at the core of its appeal. With low running costs, practical design, and trusted Mahindra reliability, it stands out as a smart investment for small business owners. That's all for this detailed look at the 2026 Mahindra Jeeto minivan. Stay connected with Bike Shift for more updates on upcoming vehicles and automotive trends.